Commercial stores are available in every corner of our cities. Every day, there are new store services to be provisioned, and various exceptions occur on different store networks. With every challenge comes a new solution. I have to manage hundreds of store networks. The pain points include a lack of daily monitoring means, slow service provisioning, unstable Wi-Fi connections, and even uplink disconnections for the entire store.
Huawei eKit SME Network Solution will be the right one. Why not have a try?
Okay, do you need to come to our office and design a solution on site?
Just send me your store's floor plan, then we can work out a solution right away. Huawei WLAN Planner, a one-stop network planning platform, automates AP deployment, enables professional Wi-Fi signal simulation, and exports the network planning report with one click, helping design a solution remotely. Huawei eKit Engine Wi-Fi 6 Series APs support module-level AI self-healing, equipping each store with an ultra-stable Wi-Fi network. Huawei eKit Engine S380 series multi-service gateways are designed with dual WAN links for load balancing, ensuring stable services on the entire network. Such an all-in-one device is adequate for one store. Huawei eKit Engine S380 allows users to simply scan one device's QR code to discover all devices on the entire network, facilitating efficient service provisioning. Huawei eKit app and Huawei eKit SNC enable one-stop O&M in real time, and therefore ensure stable services anytime, anywhere. Huawei eKit is ideal for building an ultra-stable store network that offers highly reliable wired and wireless connections, ultimately ensuring always-on services and always efficient store operations. Huawei eKit, making SME network easier and smarter.